Hello, hi. We are gathered here in Tuncay Barcin Law Office to discuss about the acquisition of Turkish citizenship. Here is the managing partner of the company, Fatih Barcin, who will answer our questions about the Turkish citizenship. Hello, Fatih. How are you?
Hello, Kate. Hello, fine. You?
Fine, thank you. First, what I would like to ask you about is what are the options exist of obtaining Turkish citizenship?
We have a few options to obtain Turkish citizenship. And the first option is to purchase a property or more than one property, at least 250,000 US dollars. The second option is to invest to an asset to Turkey, minimum 500,000 US dollars. The third option is to create a company, minimum 50 employees, and the other option is to deposit to a Turkish bank, minimum 500,000 US dollars.
Okay, and what is about the first point, which as far as I could understand, that the most common gain Turkish citizenship is to buy property. Can you tell in details about this one?
In this option, you need to buy a property or more than one property with the total amount minimum 250,000 US dollars. You can buy them on the same time or in separate times. You can buy it. The important thing here is when you buy the last property, it has to be total amount of the property, it has to be minimum $250,000. When you fix that amount, then you can apply Turkish citizenship.
Okay, if you, for example, already have property and you, for example, you have a property for amount of 50,000 euros, and then you want to buy new, can you summarize all the projects and how does it work?
If you buy the first property after 19th of September 2018, then also you can use the first property in Turkish citizenship program. For example, if it's 50,000 US dollars, then you can buy the second property, which is 200,000 US dollars, and then you can apply Turkish citizenship.
And what is the stage of application? How does it work? How long it takes?
Here there's three stages. The first stage is to register the property on the name of the applicant, and also we are adding here an annotation in the cadastral office that says you cannot sell this property in 3 years time. But in that period of time, the law lets you to have some profit. For example, you can rent it and get some profit, just you cannot sell it.
So you cannot sell it, but you can live in it or use it as investment and give it for the bank.
Yes, and our second stage, after we register the property on the name of the client, then we are taking a certificate from cadastral office that says this property or properties are suitable for Turkish citizenship program.
So this document is also
very important. It's very important. Then, with this certificate, we are starting the second stage, which is in resident permission office. The client, and also if they demand for his family or for her family, we are getting resident permissions, and it takes approximately a week time. And then with certificate which we do from top office and with the resident permissions, we are applying to the city governor for the third stage.
For the third. And what is the third stage?
Third stage, they are checking all the documents, and then they are sending our file to Ankara. In Ankara, the government may make a security investigation, and then is everything okay, is everything correct, then they are sending the file for the last signature to the president.
Even the president confirmed.
The president also confirmed.
And how long it takes all the process?
It takes, according to my experiences, I can say you that it takes approximately 3-4 months time. It can be sometimes less or more, but generally the
3-4 months.
3-4 months.
Okay, and do you have rejections on your experience?
Till today we made more than 100 applications for Turkish citizenship program, and we did not get any rejection. Here's the important thing is to prepare all the documents and papers correctly and to fix it, and then everything we don't have any rejection till that time.
Okay, when you say that you buy property, for example, for 250,000 US dollars, and this gives you the right to apply for the citizenship, who else does it give right to apply for the Turkish citizenship? Members, wife.
It gives also same right to members of the family, the wife or husband of the applicant, plus the kids which are younger than 18, and also the kids which are older than 18 but unable. That's very important. Also, they can get Turkish citizenship with the family.
In this case, age is not important.
In this case, age is not important.
And when you apply for the Turkish citizenship, with one of these points that you said above, does it differ from your Turkish citizenship which you have from your birth?
There is no difference between the people who got Turkish citizenship by birth or who got Turkish citizenship by the investment program. They will have all the same rights.
Same rights. And what about insurance, medical insurance? As you all know, in Turkey, everyone has medical insurance. When you gain Turkish citizenship, you buy it. How does it work?
After you got your passport or ID, you can directly apply Turkish social security program. You will go to social security office and make a registration, and you will pay approximately 10 euros per month, and then you can go to hospital without any payment. You can get some medicals.
So Turkish citizenship do it the same way?
Yes, same way.
They also pay this amount of money and they have the same rights.
Of course.
Okay, thank you very much. And about the army, for example, you have a son and you apply for the Turkish citizenship. Does he have to go to army? Because as we all know, all men in Turkey have to go to army.
When the applicant get Turkish citizenship, if he or he is younger than 20, then he has a responsibility to join the Turkish Army. If older than 20, there is no responsibility for military.
So, for example, in case if your child is 16 years old and you apply for the Turkish citizenship until he 20, until he becomes 20 years old, or it also doesn't matter, he will have to go to army.
He has a responsibility
to go because he already gained Turkish citizenship. Does the person has to be in Turkey while applying for the Turkish citizenship?
For the application and during the process, the client doesn't have to be here. They can give a power of attorney to a lawyer, and lawyer can assist from the beginning till the end of this process the client for cadastral office, for resident permission, and also for application to the city governor. The lawyer can do all the work.
Only a lawyer can represent the client?
Just the lawyers.
Just the lawyer can represent. Okay, thank you very much. And just last question about the double citizenship. Is also a very common question.
Our Turkish citizenship law lets double, triple. It's not matter citizenship.
Turkish government doesn't
care about it. You can take the second or third citizenship from Turkey.
You can get as much citizenship as you want. Okay, thank you very much for your answers.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. And if you have more questions, please be kind there in the comments below the video. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye.